Hello students, in our previous classes we have read about the strength of acid and bases. The strength of acid and bases will determine the value of pH. If lower the pH, stronger the acids. If higher the pH, then stronger the bases. So here today we will read about the importance of pH in everyday life. So first written, are plants and animals pH sensitive? Then we can say yes, because plants and animals have their body pH sensitive. If we talk our body, then human body has pH range within 7 to 7.8. So living organisms can survive only in a narrow pH range of change. If there is a high change in the pH level, then the survival of the organism in the environment is facing problem or getting difficult. So when pH of rainwater less than 5.6, then the rainwater is called the acid rain, and this acid rain when fall on the rivers, then it will lower the pH of river water, thereby it causes problem or cause problem to survival of the aquatic life, as well as when it's fall on the soil, then also it will increase the pH of the soil, as well as it will face problem on plants as well as some organism present in the soil. So here written acid in other planets. So if we talk about the planets, other planets, then here the Venus atmosphere is made up of white, thick and yellowish color sulfuric acids. So actually in Venus there is most of the sulfuric acid, and these sulfuric acids exist in the planet, and because of this life existence is not possible in the planet Venus. So next, what is the pH of soil in our backyard? So plants also require a specific pH range for their healthy growth. To find out the pH range for the healthy growth of a plant, so we have to collect soil from the various places and we can check their pH by taking a little 2 gram of soil and dissolving in water. After that we have to filter the solution, and the filtrate have to test with the help of universal indicator paper. So that universal indicator paper indicates the pH level by changing the color. So if it is acidic, then it will show the red color. If it is basic, then it is show blue in color. So next, pH in our digestive system. So as we know that our stomach produce hydrochloric acid. So this hydrochloric acid help the food for digestion, but sometimes we face indigestion because of excess acid produced in our stomach, and this due to this excess acid we cause pain and irritation, which is also known as acidity. So during that times we should take a mild base to get remedy. So starting of this chapter we have got one question, that the question is like that, when we suffering from acidity problem, then what remedy should we take, whether we take lemon juice, vinegar solution or a baking soda solution. So actually the baking soda solution is a base, so baking soda solutions is preferable. So it is written here, when we suffering from acidity, then we have to take antacid. So this antacid actually neutralizes the excess acid present in the stomach. So the antacid may be different types. One is magnesium hydroxide or meal of magnesia. It is a mild base. So when we take this, it will neutralize the excess acid present in the stomach. Next, pH change as the cause of tooth decay. So tooth decay starts when the pH of the mouth lower than 5.5. Because our tooth is made up of enamel, that enamel is nothing but calcium phosphate. It is a salt and very hard substance. It does not dissolve in water, but it will get corroded when the pH of the mouth is less than 5.5. That means when our mouth water become acidic, then the tooth enamel will corroded and thereby tooth decay will occur. So the acid produced in our mouth is also because of the bacteria present in our mouth that produce acid by the degradation of the sugar and the food particles remaining in the mouth after eating. So the best way to prevent this is to clean our mouth after eating food using toothpaste. Actually, toothpaste is generally basic in character, thereby it will neutralize our acid present in our mouth and prevent tooth decay. So next, self-defense by the animals and the plants through chemical warfare. So plants and animals also protect their own selves, do self-defense through the chemicals. If we talk about the honeybee or the rat ant, they will release some water substance, chemicals through their sting, and they cause pain and irritation. Actually, that chemicals are acidic in nature. So when we apply mild base like baking soda or meal of magnesia or milk on the top of the sting area, then we get relief. Some plants are also there. Some plants thorn when stuck on our body, then it causes pain and irritation. Here, a plant leaves called the nettle leaves, when inject, it will release methanoic acid causing burning pain. Like that, rat ant also when sting, it will release formic acid, which also cause pain and irritation. Okay, that's all for today.